Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, the channel where classic trucks and timeless icons come back to life. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary workhorses of the late 20th century, the 1990 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat 4x4. This truck wasn't just a tool, it was a symbol of American strength, reliability, and rugged style. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, and why it still holds a special place in truck history. Exterior. The exterior of the 1990 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat 4x4 had a bold and boxy design that represented the era perfectly. With its squared-off front end, chrome grille, and distinctive Ford badging, it stood tall and confident. The XLT Lariat trim added more luxury touches, including chrome bumpers, body side moldings, and upgraded wheel designs. Its extended cab version offered practicality for both work and family use, while the 4x4 stance gave it a rugged off-road ready appearance. This was a truck that looked tough and meant business. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find that Ford didn't skimp on comfort. The Lariat trim package gave drivers and passengers a more refined experience compared to the base models. Plush cloth or optional leather seating, wood grain style trim, and power accessories were all part of the package. The dashboard was straightforward yet functional, with large dials and easy-to-reach controls. For 1990, having amenities like power windows, air conditioning, and a premium stereo system meant this wasn't just a work truck, it was also a comfortable cruiser for long drives. Performance. Under the hood, the 1990 Ford F-150 offered several engine options, but the XLT Lariat 4x4 often came equipped with the reliable 5.0L V8 or the more powerful 5.8L V8, both paired with either a 4-speed automatic or a 5-speed manual transmission. The 4x4 system made it a capable performer off-road, handling mud, snow, and rugged terrain with confidence. With horsepower ranging around 185 to 210, and solid torque output, this truck was built to haul, tow, and conquer just about anything thrown its way. Durability was its trademark. Many of these trucks are still running strong today. In conclusion, the 1990 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat 4x4 represents the perfect balance between rugged utility and everyday comfort. It had the power to get the job done, the style to stand out on the road, and the reliability that made it a favorite among truck lovers. Even decades later, it remains a sought-after classic in the pickup world, proving that Ford truly lived up to its slogan, "Built Ford Tough." If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1990 Ford F-150, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more classic car and truck reviews here on Auto Luxury 295.